Danielle washing her car. And she just throws the hose on the ground. Gotta get those tires, don't you? Get those rims. Deeper, Danny, deeper. See, she's totally not matching because she's wearing purple and red. But we don't really care. And we think I'm wearing Ashley's shorts, but we don't really care. Yeah, new text message from Dustin, yay! He says, call it what you want, but you said it was a hookup. Whatever. Oh, that hurts. My stomach hurts. Onto the hose. Do not get me wet. Woo woo! Rinse that tire, baby. As you can hear the radio from inside her car, crystal clear. And all the windows and doors are shut. He's like, oh, there's two hot chicks out there. I can't say hi to them. They're too hot for me. It was like, there's hot chicks washing a car. Damn, they're not in bikinis.
I'm always in a bikini. I'm not. No, not a bikini.
Miss New Booty. You got and bring it back to me. About a month or two. Miss New Booty. Bring it back to me. As I'm texting and she's washing the car. Oops, I think I was supposed to help. Wave, say hi. This is going up on the MySpace. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Heck yes, it is. It's going up on MySpace. Yes, it is.
We'll beat you down and delete that freaking video.
Yes. Oh yeah, shake it, baby, shake it. Your boyfriend don't like this video.
No, he won't.
You're washing a car. That's sexy.
Not the other girls, not like me. I kind of ruin it. I ruin it a little bit.
I'm excited because they're bringing Joel tomorrow night. Oh snap! I just said that on the video.
You did. I can get to delete it now.
No, I don't.
Can you move it?
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, when I first came over, I thought it was black.
It looks green now, don't it?
Yeah, now it looks green.
It looks green when it's wet. Watch out, jump it.
Damn, girl, trying to kill me?
Yeah.
I love you too, best friend. Yeah, you can.
Not when you had it before. If I pointed down at the car. fine if you don't point it at me. Good. Do this.
I see you!
Anybody be watching the rest of this video?
I see you! What? If you keep doing stupid stuff like that, they're gonna want to watch it.
Not all.
Yeah.
Buddy!
Do you know everyone?
I told him off like a long time ago. And, yeah. He's hated me ever since because I actually told him off. And I had some guy ask me out because I told him off.
Wow. Oh, text
yes,
message.
And I went, yes, no.
To that guy that asked you
I
out?
went out with him for a whole, like, 2 seconds.
I went out with Scott. I think our shortest relationship was 15 minutes. Our longest relationship? Oh boy, 2 months! And then I broke up with him homecoming night and made him pay the bill for dinner.
Actually, 2 months is pretty good.
Yeah.
Considering high school relationship.
Yeah, buddy.
Were freaking like 2 weeks.
Yeah, buddy. You and Chris are doing pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good, though. Everyone that says that, you know, you two aren't going to make it, they're full of crap. It's all the people like Sarah. They're full of crap.
Did she say that really?
Yeah, she was like, I don't see why Chris isn't going out with someone like me or you because Danny looks like a dog.
Friday night.
Like, seriously, she's like, Danny's ugly and Chris is so cute and, you know, all this other crap. I was like, okay, Sarah, let's not talk about her.
Ooh, I'll be sure to tell her.
Why is he?
I don't even like her at all.
Really?
He hates her.
She thinks he does.
Yeah, that's what the funny part is.
She thinks that they're friends.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's funny. He actually thinks.
She was like, he deserves someone so much more good looking because Danny is too ugly to be with him. Hear that? It's on, bitch, it's on.
No, for real, it's on. If you're watching this fucking video, you better, like, stay away from me, for real.
For real, for real.
Yo!
For real, for real, for real. So this freaking phone is, like, right on my hip.
No, you think I'm playing. Sarah, if you're watching this video, I'm really gonna, like, beat you up, okay? Bye. No, you gotta be all, like,
Sexy, baby, sexy.
You gotta be wearing like.
That's what I told her. I told her she should be wearing a bikini.
I know you gotta be all.
Shove your boobs on the window.
We're trying to call Donald. See if he's working.
Okay, hang on. I gotta turn it. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.